Have you ever seen something like this on your chart and wanted to know what it is? It's called a gap, and let me explain why it happens. Picture this: the stock market operates within regular hours, but there are also pre-market and post-market trading periods. For example, let's take an Apple stock traded on the New York Stock Exchange, which opens at 9:30 am and closes at 4 pm Eastern Time. Everything before the opening of the exchange is the pre-market, and everything after the closing of the exchange is the post-market trading period. Now, during these extended hours, some news can come out that impacts stock prices. So, imagine, a stock closes at $10, but then some bad news hits after hours. People start selling, and the next day, the stock opens lower, let's say at $9. That creates a gap. In this specific situation, traders also like to call it a gap down, because the stock price went down. On the other hand, good news can lead to gap up. If that same stock closed at $10, but then some positive news breaks, causing people to buy, it might open the next day at $11. That's a gap up. So, gaps occur when there's a difference between the previous day's closing price and the next day opening price. And these gaps are influenced by what happens in pre-market and post-market trading. As you can also see, you don't have these gaps in cryptocurrency charts. That is because the cryptocurrency market is always open, and there isn't enough time to make such a big volume to cause a gap, maybe only on a minute candlestick chart. The next time you hear about stock gapping up or gapping down, you'll know it's all about what happens outside of regular trading hours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.